How to sell on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin and today I'll guide you on how you can sell on Bybit. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You can simply go ahead and launch the Bybit application, log into your account, and then you can simply here what you want to do is now you want to head over to the crypto that you wish to sell. Now, whether your assets that you wish to sell. Now you can see my assets option. You'll find the assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see here various options, but you won't be able to find the sell option here. You can see the convert option however, but you can't see the sell option. So what you can do is you can simply search in for the particular assets that you wish to sell, right? You can tap on it and open it up, and at the bottom of your screen you'll find the sell option. Simply tap on sell, enter in the quantity, and then you can simply tap on sell bubble and go through the prompts, and you can go ahead and sell it. Now you can place your order by following these steps, such as clicking on sell to navigate to the page where you placed a sell order. Then by quantity, choose the coin you want to pay with, or choose the payment option, and then go ahead through the prompts. So this way you can sell on Bybit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.